If you're a new parent or struggling with sleep yourself, you've probably heard about white noise, but does it actually work or is it just a myth? Today I'll be breaking it all down for you, what white noise actually is, how other sounds compare to it, and most importantly, does it help your little one to sleep better? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rena from Sweet Dream Sleep, a pediatric sleep consultant and a mom. So let's get right into it. White noise is actually a sound that contains equal energy across all frequencies that we can hear. Think of the sound that a fan makes. But did you know there are different types of noise too? Apart from white noise, we also have pink and brown noise too. So white noise will typically sound like a fan or static TV, and pink noise sounds like heavy rain or heartbeats, and brown noise will sound like ocean waves or the waterfall. Now there is some research that's been carried out which suggests that these sounds can help babies, children, and even some adults fall asleep faster and actually stay asleep for longer. For babies, it can be especially comforting because it mimics the sound of the womb, and it can also mask external sounds that might otherwise wake your baby. Little things like siblings making noises, birds chirping outside, radiators coming on in the morning, and all external sounds from outside of the house which might otherwise wake your little one can be masked with white noise. So let's talk about how to use white noise. You want to turn the white noise on when your little one is ready for bed and have it playing throughout the night, so all night long. Don't set a timer. And also keep the white noise playing for your little one's nap times too. Now you can get portable white noise machines which you can use on the go too. If you do want to try white noise, please do so safely. Keep the volume of the white noise at 50 decibels or less. Place the sound machine at least 7 feet away from your little one. Avoid machines with lights as they can interfere with your child's sleep, and ensure that there are no loose wires or parts within reach. Now, one of the biggest concerns that parents have with white noise is worrying that their little one will become dependent on it. The good news is that it's actually a positive sleep association. So unlike other sleep props such as being rocked to sleep or dummies, this can actually play continuously throughout the night, so that if your little one does wake up when transitioning sleep cycles, it doesn't have to be reinstated. It's playing all night long for them. So when should you stop using white noise? Every child is different, so you can decide when the right time is to wean them off it. The easiest way to do so is to gradually reduce the volume of the white noise over a week or two until it can't be heard any longer. It's as simple as that. So if your little one is struggling with their sleep, please do give white noise a go, and you can also try it for yourself. You never know, you might just sleep better. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe and like for more sleep tips just like this. Please do comment below if you have tried white noise and it's worked for you. See you in the next video.